14 or 15 out at a youth disco. Believe me, your eyes were the size of the sky, but your heart was as big as a button, babe. Your heart was as big as a button, babe. So I started seeing you for about 3 years or so. Out of nowhere you came to my hometown to go to school. When I see you now, when I see you now, when I see you now, I seize up, 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 I seize up and cry. So I saw you out when I got a chance, I'd bebo you a wave or something like that. And I started to notice that I didn't really give a shit about you anymore. But when I see you, when I saw you, I seize up, 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 and cry. So I'm not gonna bother even trying anymore. And when I see you now, I don't seize up, I don't seize up, and I certainly don't cry. Yeah, I'm gonna go on my way. Gonna go home and not do someone else's job. So goodbye, miss, goodbye, miss. Hey. Right, so Robert's just gonna look down there. But